channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here, a warm cranberry smoky eye, which I've had a bunch of people request that I do when I posted it on my Instagram stories and my Snapchat. If you're not following me on there, I will leave my handle up here. Let's be friends and connect on other social media platforms. But I've decided to recreate this look, and for this look I'm using the colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette, and this beauty looks like this. And I only did use only the shadows in this palette, so if you're interested, please stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm going to be using the Color Raine Queen of Hearts palette, which if these colors don't scream fall and winter, I don't know what does. I'm obsessed, and as you can tell by my face, yeah, amazing. So first off, I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. Yes, I did use a lot here, that's why I'm going to be patting it out. But basically, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape to cancel out any dark discoloration or any veins that are on my eyelids, so that we can start off with a blank canvas. Now I'm going to set that with the RCMA No Color powder. And go in with this first color right here. I'm using a fluffy blending brush, and I'm adding that into my transition and my crease area, and I'm going to add it slowly, but go in windshield wiper motion to blow it out. Now I'm taking the orange color in the palette, and I'm going to be adding that into the crease or into the socket of the eye, little by little. I'm using here my Coastal Scents brush. I will be doing an eye brush video very soon. But as you can tell, I'm adding little by little and just blending it in rather than adding in a lot and having a hard time with the color. Now I'm going to take this beautiful purple on my Morphe brush, and I'm going to add that onto my outer V. And like I said, pack it little by little to get the color that you want. And what do you know? I'm going to blend all those three together. Now I'm going to be using this cranberry red shade with my MAC 242, which I sprayed my MAC Fix Plus on it, and I'm going to pack it on my mobile lid. This color does look great if you apply with your fingers, but since I'm using my brush, it takes a little bit of time to nurture it. And there you go, I have it on. Now I'm adding a little bit of the purple back onto my outer V, because I felt as I was adding on the cranberry, the purple kind of got lost. Now I'm going to take this dark shimmery purple, and I'm going to add a little bit of that into my outer V as well. And I'm going to use a little bit of a close-up just to show you guys how I blend all those colors together. Now I'm going to take my Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover with my pointy Q-tip, and I'm just going to clean off any excess fallout and kind of make it like a cat eye shape. Since my eyes are hooded, I want to give my eyes the appearance of a lifted look. And here I'm using the Tarte Quench Primer or something like that. honestly wasn't good, so I'm not gonna plan on using it again. And followed by the Dr. Brandt Pores No More primer, which I add in to my center T-zone where I have larger pores. And what I'm doing is I'm pressing it in and taking my time pushing it into the skin so that it fills in the pores. Now I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder foundation. This is the lighter formula. It's like a very not super cakey and has a lighter coverage. I love this. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques brush to blend this baby in. I'm doing my under eyes with my Becca Luminous Concealer. I still don't know how I feel about this concealer, guys. But as you can tell, I'm blending it in with my trusty beauty blender. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick to add a little bit of warmth into my skin. I guess you can say I'm contouring here, but I'm just bronzing it up. I heard that this foundation is discontinued, but any foundation stick will work just as long as it's like 2 or 3 shades darker than you. In my case, I think it's like 7 shades darker than me. But as you can see here, I'm using my e.l.f. Stiffle brush and just blending it in to give my skin a little bit of warmth and dimension back. Now I'm using my Hourglass setting powder under my eyes. I'm still testing it out and I don't know if I'm in love with it, but as you can see here, I'm still using it. Followed by my Lancome Absolute Pesh powder, which gives me that glow, and I'm obsessed with it, but I heard that it's being discontinued. There's only a couple places I found this still on the site. Followed by my Holy Grail H&M bronzer. I'm just obsessed with the color that it gives my skin. It's not orange, it's not gray tone, it's not like too warm, it's just perfection. Now I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Vintage Peach Blush. And moving on to my lower lash line. I'm taking a flat definer brush and I'm adding in this color. I'm kind of stamping it into my lash line, giving it kind of like an eyeliner look. And taking this brown right here to kind of blend it out and smoke out the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that purple and oh, look at that. I'm just going to take a stiffer brush and just wipe it away, no biggie. But I will be adding that purple to the outer part of my lower lash line just to give it a little bit more different dimension and color. I'm all about dimension and smokiness, if you haven't noticed by now. Now I'm going to take this light color right here, add that to my inner corners of my eyes and under my brow bone. When I was editing, I noticed that the footage of me putting on my brows or doing them disappeared, but as you can see here, they're already done as well. I'm going back in with a little bit of that purple because I just felt like with all that blending I've done, I've kind of lost that dark look on the outer corners. I'm gonna take this color right here from my NARS palette. It's called Desert Sands. It's like a soft sheen of a glow. I'm just hydrating my skin. But now I'm applying mascara. Any mascara will work, you guys. This one's being discontinued too, so I'm not even gonna talk about it. I'm gonna be putting on some lashes right now, so it honestly doesn't really matter. For my lashes, I'm gonna be using the Ardell Demi Wispies in the Studio Effects, which are my favorite. And voila, they're on and good to go. I decided to add in a little bit of purple eyeliner into my waterline, and here's a close-up of how it looks. Now I'm going to use my Dose of Color gel liner in Shady to just cover up any glue that may have been left behind when I applied my lashes, and just to make it look like they're my real lashes, although we all know they're not. I'm going to be applying my lip liner from Jordana in the color Tawny. It's kind of like a Your Lips But Better type of a color. Followed by the NARS Velvet Lip Glides. These are my favorite formula. I bought a nice, like a set for the holiday. So comfortable on the lips. Now I'm spraying my MAC Fix Plus, followed by my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and last but not least, my Scandinavia Setting Spray to make it last all day, followed by these awkward movements. But there you go, you guys. My video. I hope that you enjoyed this look right here. If you like more tutorials, please let me know in the comment section down below, or if you have any other suggestions or questions, I'm always here for you guys. I did switch up my lip though, I will say that. I put on the Too Faced Sunday Fun Day Peach Collection lipstick, which looks like this. Because I like this color better with this look. But other than that, please excuse the lighting. I do use natural daylight as my primary lighting situation when I am filming, so I hope it didn't wash me out too much, but that is basically it. So until next time, bye guys.